Hey beauties, welcome to my YouTube channel. Missy here. In this video, I'm walking you through a full face makeup routine perfect for beginners. So you want to grab your makeup and let's do this together. We are going to start by applying some lip oil on our lips to keep our lips hydrated throughout this tutorial. Doing your eyebrows before foundation allows for better precision and control as the skin is less slippery. But honestly, if you want to start with your skin prep first, then go for it. There is no wrong or right way. You just have to go with what works best for you. We are applying a small amount of powder to the brows before drawing with a pencil. This will help create a smoother and a more matte base for the brow makeup. Next, I'm going in with a brown pencil to outline and fill in my brow. I'm using the Davis Wood pencil in the shade 3. I love this pencil because it has the perfect shade of brown that matches my skin. I'm going in with concealer to clean my brows. I'm using the Avourcosmetics concealer in A60 and A80. I'm not too sure about these shades, but I'm going to write them in the description. After concealing my brow, I'm going in with the brush to clean out and blend the excess concealer. Let's move to skin prep. Today I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, which is a hydrating long-wear makeup primer. This primer helps makeup grip to the skin for an all-day wear. And this primer works well on dry, oily and combination skin since it hydrates without making the skin greasy. Next on, we are going to apply our foundation. I'm using the Beauty by Edilux Skin Foundation, which is a full coverage foundation. This foundation helps to even out skin tone and texture for a flawless appearance. I'm using the foundation brush to blend all of this out for an even application. Next on, we are going to apply concealer to our under eyes, to the bridge of our nose, to our chin and above our mouth. In this video, I'm using the Avourcosmetics liquid concealer, which is lightweight and full coverage. Next on, we are going to go ahead to use a darker shade of concealer to apply our contour. We are going to apply our contour under our cheekbones, along the jawline, our forehead. The concealer I'm using in this video is from Blossom Cosmetics. Most of the products I'm using in this video are affordable products. As a beginner to makeup, you don't want to go ahead and buy expensive products when you don't know how to apply your makeup yet. So it's always advisable to buy affordable products like the ones I'm using in this video to start up your makeup journey. I'm just going to go ahead to blend out the liquid blush I applied on my cheekbones. Before now, blush wasn't really my thing, but I don't think I can apply makeup on my face without applying blush. I love the color that the blush adds to the whole makeup, and I love how it gives this healthy looking glow to the face. Using the other side of my doe brush to blend out my nose contour. After letting my concealer sit for a while, I'm going in with this small fluffy brush to blend out my concealer. I'm just going ahead to blend that in tapping motions. I'm just tapping that out until everything blends out seamlessly. This concealer is so easy to blend. So if you're a beginner to makeup, you should get this concealer because it's that easy to blend. See how everything is just seamless and smooth. I'm going in to apply more liquid blush because I love me some red cheeks. Next on, we are going to apply a brighter shade of concealer to brighten our under eye. This step is optional. You must not do it. So I'm applying a brighter shade under my eye because I love me a bright under eye. This might be a bit cakey if you're a beginner to try, so I'd advise you don't do this step, but if you can, you should. I'm just going to go in with my small fluffy brush to blend that outwardly in a tapping motion. And now, if you have watched this video up to this point, I want to say thank you so much, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. I'm going in with more concealer under my eye to brighten my under eye until I'm satisfied. So I'm just going to go in with my small round fluffy brush to blend that out. Can you see how this concealer just blends seamlessly? And I'm still using the Avourcosmetics liquid concealer. This concealer, it's really flawless. Next on, we are going to go ahead to set our concealer using our loose setting powder. I'm going to apply some on this puff before pressing it under my eye. I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder in Coffee Cake to set my under eye. And I'm going ahead to use a lighter shade to bake my under eye. This powder sets the makeup in place and creates a smooth, flawless finish that lasts longer. Next on, I'm going ahead to apply some powder bronzer to my cheekbones to just add warmth to my face. If you've been following every step up to this point, then your makeup should be looking like this. I'm going in with my powder shade to apply all over my face. And not also forgetting our neck. We are going to apply some powder onto the neck. I'm going to go in with some powder blush to apply on my cheekbones. I'm going to go ahead to use a leftover setting powder on my powder puff to set my eyelid. Then I'm going to use this reddish brown shade to apply on my eyelid, and that will be all for the eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead to apply some eyeshadow under my eye. And as a beginner to makeup, it's easier to apply a single color of eyeshadow on your eyelid before you start working with different kinds of eyeshadow. This is going to be easier. Next on, I'm going ahead with some mascara to brush out my natural lashes, and I'm going to apply some gel liner to my waterline, and I'll just keep brushing out my lashes with some mascara. And I'm going to go in with some shimmer to my inner eye corner just to add some beauty to the whole look. I'm going to go ahead to use this matte brown lipstick from Avourcosmetics to line my lips. Now if you have a brown pencil or any brown liner, you can use it. Next one, I'm going to be applying some nude lip gloss to the center of my lips, and I'll just blend that out together. I'm going in with this Juvia's Place brown lip gloss to line my lips again. And next on, I'm going to go in with some setting spray to set everything in place. I'm going to go in with the leftover powder on my powder puff to just tap under my eye. And I'm going to apply some highlighter to the high points of my face. And here we have our final look. If you watch this video till the end, I want to say thank you very much, and please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Let me know in the comment section if you found this video helpful or if you even learned something from this video. See you in my next video. Bye.